This is how much money I get with this each month, guys. It's really easy job to do and it only requires a little bit of my time. Basically, I set this up once and I almost forgot about it. I remember when it started to pour money into my account. Trust me, it's simple, it's easy, and it works. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video and please like the video as well because it really helps. Now, let's get started. So first of all, guys, I want you to connect to this website, which is called Digistore24.com, and maybe you've heard about it. This is a affiliate network, affiliate website, which can make you a lot of money, guys. Basically, there are a lot of affiliate marketing websites out there, but this one is the most popular one, and I like it. I like the feel of it, I like the looks of it, and I like the money of it as well. It has all what you need. They are happy to help with everything, so even if you are a complete beginner, I started as a complete beginner here and they made my sales skyrocket and I just used their help so I could get up started with this, and they are very easygoing and helpful. As you can see on Trustpilot, it has almost 4,000 reviews and has 4.7 out of 5. I mean, that's incredible rating. 4.7 out of 5. I mean, there are some bad reviews as you can see, but a lot of people are satisfied with it. In fact, 86% of the people are satisfied with it, so we're gonna be in that percentage as well if you follow my advice and follow my steps closely. Basically, just land on this page and click on start now, and as you can see, it's free to sign up, and here you just have to take notion of something, guys. You have to click here on affiliate, so you want to sign up as affiliate so you can of course enjoy all of these features that they have, such as high commission rates, payment always on time, and what I like the most is recurring commissions, guys. So you set this up once and it's gonna turn into a passive income for yourself, which you can scale in the future to more money. But let's start from the first steps, guys. Just complete this simple information about yourself and click on register for free now. Now, once you have made yourself a new account, this is your dashboard. This is how it's gonna look like. But what we're gonna do now, guys, is that we're gonna check the marketplace. And here it is. Just click on this button over here, marketplace it is named, and here you will see a lot of products, guys. A lot of products which you can affiliate for, a lot of categories on this left side as you can see. So you are spoiled for choice here, really. As you can see, some business and investment things, some email marketing, education, family and kids, fitness and health. There is something for everyone, guys. As you can see, some software, some social media management tools, some games and fun. And I like this fitness and health niche. It is very profitable because it gains a lot of traffic, guys. A lot of people today want to lose weight, they want to add muscles and whatnot. They want to get that perfect looking physique for themselves. So it gains a lot of traffic. A lot of money is circulating in that industry. So we can take a piece of that cake for ourselves as well if you follow me closely. Now just look at this. This ultimate keto meal plan, it costs like $50 and you will get 85% commission out of that, guys. Now you will get $40 out of it. Actually, this is euros, but let's just switch to US dollars so we can see. So yeah, it is $45 for each sale, guys. That's perfect commission, guys, and that's why I love Digistore24. They really rock the business here. If you click here on promote now, you will get this link for yourself, and this is your special affiliate link, and whoever comes through this link and buys the product, you're gonna get a commission. That's how simple it is, guys. You can just copy it into your clipboard and you can go to bit.ly, for example, and just paste it in here into this box and click on shorten. Now, of course, that's gonna make your link look a little bit better, a little bit sweeter, so it's easier to click on. And guys, if you click on that link, you will be redirected to this web page where you can see what this product is all about. So here is a video so you can see what it's all about, and it's good to know what the product is so you know what you're selling. And now, guys, next step involves reddit.com. Now, you all know Reddit, guys. A lot of traffic, a lot of people gain here, and there are a lot of people here who want to lose weight as well. So you can just type in here, how to lose weight fast, click enter, and then you will see all of these people asking the same questions, guys. How to lose weight fast, how to lose weight in 2020, how to lose weight, how to lose weight. So there is a lot of people here looking for that exact product that you're affiliating for, guys. They're just waiting for you to show them. And now what I want you to do, guys, now is that you go on google.com and just type in weight loss facts, as you can see here. click on the first article. It doesn't matter. It matters that it is a pro-written article, so you need a professionally written article for yourself, which you will copy into your clipboard and then paste it as an answer to that question. So for example, we can just copy this into our clipboard and go into each of these questions and paste our answer. So for example, let's go on this one and then just paste your answer here, so you will gain some trust with these people, so they will read that article and they will think, oh, this guy really knows what he's talking about, instead of these guys like cut out sugar and junk food and eat less and do physical actively. I mean, that's all boring stuff. You need some facts, some professionally written facts, and then in the end of your answer, you will paste your affiliate link for Digistore24. And in that way, they're gonna come here and they're gonna buy this product and you're gonna get $45. And just like that, guys, just clicking a few times, copying and pasting, and you are earning massive amounts of money. This is the best option there is, guys. Now, one more way in which you can get some traction, some traffic for yourself and your link, you can make yourself an Instagram account. Make yourself a new Instagram account just like this one. Just make it like this one, weight loss, diet tips. You can make it something like weight loss, fat loss, whatever, just similar to this one, and make it exactly the same as this guy is doing. And what you're gonna do next, guys, is that you're gonna go on these followers. As you can see, 300,000 followers. And now what you have to do is just follow each one of these guys. Just follow, 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 follow. And when they see your name like fat loss, weight loss, they're gonna follow you back because they follow this page as well. And the first thing that they're gonna do when they check who followed them, they're gonna check your profile. So make sure you have some pictures here, you have some nice bio here, and then you will put your website right here. And by website, I mean that special affiliate marketing link for this product right here. And that's what's gonna make you money, guys. If only like 1/3 of these people follow you and 1/2 of that buys the product, you are a rich man. Trust me, guys, Instagram and Reddit can make you rich, and it's all because of the traffic. That's how it works, guys. And if you don't like these products, so weight loss products are maybe not for you, you can try something else. You can go and search something in education, for example. There are some certain products for that. Just make sure to change your traffic source then. So change your questions, change your Instagram pages, and that's it. You can see this TikTok mastery is good. You can get $80 almost for each sale, and that's good. But I like fitness and health niche because there is a lot of traffic, and I think it'll never get old. People want to grab those nice looking photos of themselves. They want to post it on Instagram, and guess what? We're gonna use Instagram for their attention as well. That's smart, right? Now I showed you all that you have to do. Go and follow these easy steps, guys. Go and make yourself some money. It's easy. Just follow all of these. They will follow you back. Give them that link and you'll be rich. I'll catch you guys later.